Let's go across to Anuj now, who's standing by with a look at the trade setup. Anuj, good morning.
Morning, Prashant. Not looking good, right? There's this global mayhem. The issue is it's tough to predict what happens when some things like this happen. Uh, the set of people who got it right, those are the FIs in terms of trading. I'll come to that in a bit. But anecdotally, for investors, wars are the best buying opportunities. You have numerous examples in the past, but two that come to mind, the Gulf War and the Russia-Ukraine war. I think the other important thing to track today is going to be the price behavior of Infosys, because the thing is whether the shocker is in the price already. ADR was down 2.6%, but it recovered over 5% from the lows, and the stock's already down about, I think, 15% or thereabout since the Accenture number. So a large part of this perhaps is in the price now. Assuming EPS of 70 rupees for FY26, the stock trades at 20 times, right? And anecdotally, it bottoms out at 17 times. So let's see. But now coming to trade setup, and the point I was making, just look at FIs selling, and it's also an example of why smart traders actually trade more when things go in their favor. In last 4 days, FIs have consistently sold more, 2,000 crore, 3,850 crore, 3,150 crore, and yesterday 7,000 crore. And just look at the contracts. We started with net long of 51,000 contracts, and we have now reached net short of over 1 lakh contracts. The record has been, I think, 1.4 lakh short contracts. And net short of about net long of about 11%. We are now at about 32%. So who knows whether there's more to go or not. As far as Nifty's outlook is concerned, I'm giving slightly bigger levels now because the market's moving big, 21,656 to 21,705, and then the 200-day moving average of 2,800. The day traders need to stay nimble because no level-based trade is going to work in this market. You've got to watch the screen and see how it moves. On the Bank Nifty, the support comes in at 46,670 to 46,800. That's where the 100-day exponential moving average is placed. And the bigger support is at 45,600 to 45,700, the 200-day moving average. Keep in mind HDFC Bank's numbers tomorrow. So Monday is perhaps the best time to take a fresh call on Bank Nifty. I'll leave you with quote of the day, and I choose this today because of a reason. The quote is about politics. It's got to be the part-time profession of every citizen who would protect the rights and privileges of free men. Today is the start of the biggest festival of democracy, India's elections. So please go out and vote if you are in the area where there's voting going on today.